We're gonna make a camera gimbal to get those super great shots. You know, I said I was gonna give up on this one, but it just looks so cool. I might see if I can do a little work with it. I'm gonna have to put, like, get a bar, or get that aluminum strap that I used on the other gimbal, put it on here, attach some springs here so I can attenuate that movement. And then this, I don't know what we'll do there. Let me hook up a camera and see how it operates. Let's see how this will do. I need a spacer. Probably do. That's getting awfully close. Yeah, let's do that. Let's make spacer. Try one of these fancy ones. Why is it not going in there straight? There we go. Alright. Let's see. Yeah. I would need a spring on there because it's just going to flop. Whoa! Hey, what about that? I would always have to invert the image, or I could make a different holder. Or I could hook up some springs here. It would have to be here, yeah. That would keep that from flopping over. Or I could adjust that. Okay, let's see what we can do. So I think I could put one of these right there, and that could work double duty. I could use that to attach the bar from here, a spring from there to there. So I think we'll start with that. Then it needs to go on there. You could notch it, huh? Fit in that. Nice. And I need to bend it. Then I'm going to mark it and drill holes first. Alright, let's see if we can find some springs that'll work on here. Got my box of springs from the Harbor Freight. Alright, let's check it out. We'll start with those, I guess. A long section. We got to reach from here to here. I think I'm going to have to move. I'm going to have to put this spring to the front hole and this spring to the rear hole. Hopefully it won't interfere. We'll see. pretty sweet. Let's see what the camera does. So, I flipped that over so the L faces on top. Put my other super gimbal on there, hanging low. Set it on there. That seems to work better. So, let's take some shots. Let's try a lighter camera. See how that works. Let's try out that gimbal on a head harness. Oh yeah, let's check this out. No good, too much wobbling around. I put this grip from a old weed eater onto the pole for our early gimbal, sorry. This looks like it works out, makes it a lot easier to control the roll like this, because with just my hand on there I didn't really pay attention and it would roll and it turned that camera. Check it out. So there you go, another cool gadget. I don't know that it really works the way I need it to, but it does look cool. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.